This is Infinix Note 30 and today I will show how you can enable the data saver feature on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the SIM and network settings category, then go for the data and security, data settings and data usage, then allow the phone master app all the permissions that it asks for. So unless you have set it up prior to doing that, then you will be you can skip the step, or actually you will just simply not have it. So here is the phone master. Let's grant it with the permit usage access, then we will need to grant it with the phone usage access as well. And here is the data manager page. So from here go for the data saver and turn on the use data saver switch, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.